It rained pretty hard when we went outside, and it's a good thing that we brought an umbrella, but the rain got stronger, so we ended up seeking for shelter while waiting for the rain to subside. Honestly, there's literally no reason at all for us to go to E Block Ayala, so we decided to just, roam around and window shop instead. And Trading Block was actually the first place we stopped at. It's an area where there are like multiple shops that sell clothes and accessories. We just looked around in the Trading Block area, we didn't buy anything. And yeah, we were basically just window shopping. And it's not like we planned on buying anything, so it's cool. But there were a lot of good stuff in there. We just didn't buy any of them.
Ang cute ng cat bed nila. Oh. Alam, may toki. May toki. Ano pang hinahanap mo? Ang cute ng mga bento box nito. Ito. Ayan, ayan, wow. Ano yan? Para sa luto-luto.
Lagay ng mga, ito, sa kwarto ko, lagay ng mga decor. Mga lounge. Dine-in,
Oh, dine-in.
ikaw.
Ba't walang price?
Meron yan.
Ano yung ng McCafe? ano yung McCafe?
Ito preso.
Parang masarap magkape. Ano yung price niyan?
Nasa balik.
sasabihin ko sa vlog ko. Papunta na kami sa hotel.
From E Block, Ayala, or Ayala E Block, my tita and I walked from there to the Waterfront Hotel, where my mom and I are supposed to meet up so that she can drive us home. And we basically just took photos, roamed around, and took photos again because the hotel looks so good, especially the artworks, such as the paintings and basically the whole architecture of the building is breathtaking. And you know, to be honest with you guys, we weren't even guests, nor did we stay at the Waterfront Hotel. Like, we rented a room. No, we just like literally entered, then took photos, and that's it. You guys can do the same. If you come here in Cebu City, you can go to the Waterfront Hotel, and then, you know, just take photos and stuff. And if you're above 18 and you're lucky, then go to the casino. You know, just play. It's your life.